So we have our paint for the camper.
For what?
For the camper to match the 4Runner.
Hey Mom, look, the boys are back in town.
To match the 4Runner. In the woods, not the Dodge. The 4Runner.
So naturally, we're using a Sawzall blade to open it because I couldn't find a knife. But this is the company Monstaliner.
Who?
Monstaliner. I've already, obviously, gotten a batch of their tint-able gallon kit. I got the 2 gallon the first time. I got the gallon this time. So we paid and everything, don't worry. We got all the kit stuff it's a gallon of paint, a gallon or a quart of the tint-able paint, and then their catalyst. This is a great paint for whenever you want to do off-road purposes because it's very durable. I haven't had anything go wrong with mine, and I off-road mine, I would say often. Not as often as I like, but as you can see, you get your actual tint color. So I got desert sands. So you get your tint color and your catalyst and your gallon of paint right down in here. So you pour everything together, mix it up, and then you roll it on. Now, like I said, they offer a gallon, and then they also offer 2 gallons kits. So we got just the gallon. It comes with all the tools you need. It comes with a roller, paintbrush, stir for the paints. It even comes with tape. I mean, everything you need. They're great. They're a great company to work with. Awesome product. And they also ship stickers. So that is going on the door. But we got to get this cleaned up first. So the prep for this is basically taking it outside, washing it, and then we're going to use mineral spirits and scrape the whole thing down. They actually come with scratch pads in there, and you scratch the mess out of it. You don't want to go all the way to the steel, but you want to get past the clear coat so it'll be adhesive. Let's get to it. After washing it, I got the wood a little wet, so I'm gonna sit it out here in the nice sun. It's a beautiful day out. I got a little bit of water in here because of the hole in the door right there, but other than that, everything seamed up very nicely. Now I'm gonna let it dry out a little bit, go ahead and get ready to start scuffing, debadge it, and get it ready to go. Now it is time to get to sanding. I already got that grinded down, and then I also got this grinded down as well. So what you're gonna do with the kit comes a piece of like Corse pad, sanding pad. I mean, you just score the whole thing. Such a nice paint. Oh, look at the way that it reflects too. It'd be a shame if somebody scored it a little. sanded, we're going to use some mineral spirits. And it's going to wipe it completely down and give it another sand. Alrighty, for the next step, since we have the truck all cleaned up, sanded up, ready to rock and roll. Oh, hello, Diesel Dog. What you're going to do is follow the instructions. Seriously? You're going to follow the instructions. He's like a cat. Oh my gosh.
What you got in the bucket?
So you're going to use your 1 gallon tint-able color. You're going to use your color concentrate and put it in the 1 gallon. You're going to empty the other tint into there as well. You're going to put them all in a big 5 gallon, 2 gallon mixing pail and then put them back. Can I help you? You're going to put them all back in the original gallon it comes in, so that way if you have extras you can keep them in there. But every time you pour it out of the gallon into your roller container, you want to seal it back up so that way the catalyst doesn't completely seal up everything and it starts drying on you. So let's get to it. Now that is what I call a paint job. Just finished off taking all the tape off, finished up with the paint, and that is going to be the conclusion of this video. So I hope you all stay tuned to the next episode as we continue to build out this 4Runner. Thank you for Monstaliner for an awesome product. Y'all have a great week. Now that we have them tried and true, Monstaliner gets a seat on the door. So we just started this a little while ago. We all of our products that we use, we get a few stickers with. We started a sticker door. This one's gonna have to go on it for sure. Thank you, Monstaliner, for a great product. And thank you guys at home for checking out the video. And I hope that you stay tuned for more.